So the Bevel Helper is a utility we designed to assist with meshes that you have selected that have bevels. So if we take this cube, we can go in edit mode, and I'm just going to control click mark in order to bevel this. And we'll select these two edges and control click mark to bevel them as well. And then we can control click mark or control click bevel in object mode in order to put a bevel on top of that. So now we have 3 levels of bevel. If we press Control Shift B, we can actually see all these levels of bevel, and we can individually adjust them depending on what we need for it. So there's also an option to collapse these to be even smaller. There we go. So now we have them in a more collapsed state, so we can see how many segments is on each bevel and adjust them accordingly, in addition to being able to multiply and divide the weight, which is also nice. Sometimes you want to just quickly divide the width in half or multiply it by 2, which is what these are. However, if you have a mesh not selected and you press Control Shift B, you'll receive an error, and this is something that we just didn't take into account for whenever we made the Bevel Helper. So I'm happy to announce that for this version, if we Control V paste our shape in here, we could press Control Shift B and bring up our Bevel Helper just as you would expect. However, if you have the object selected, it will now at least let you know no, which is the proper answer for pressing the wrong hotkey. Just no.